Hey YouTube, I am doing one more long form video here in the horizontal because I owe it to you guys, and thank you for all the mentions and comments recently. This is going to be just an uncut video that I am in the day in the life of the middle of the mid-Indian Ocean, and it's probably the calmest day I've had so far with following seas. I'm drifting at about 1.5 knots, 1.6. And current situation is we got to get in the bottom. I've got some barnacles and things going on. I've got some weather approaching me, so I'll give you guys an update since there's no rush in 1 to 3 minute videos that I have to put on my social or Facebook. My typical day has been going pretty well. This is the current situation with the boat. Boat items that are out. My Victron inverter is not working. It's this guy, and it does not power my rice cooker, which is that guy in the back there. Just a little powered 300 watts. So it's enough for 28-30 watts to power my Starlink, which is really important because I would not be able to get my weather reports and keep posted you guys on social media, and also my safety updates to my crew, which is a very small one-person contact named Mary, who's a former rower. There are some other contacts that I reach out to variously on WhatsApp just to ask for advice in the rowing community, like the current conditions. And if Starlink's out, I always use my Spot two-way satellite device that you can see is also connected with my model, guys. These are the Infinity tools that I use everywhere that I really like. But anyway, today is, let's see. So today would be 5/60 was Friday, 5/6. Sorry about that. Storage ran out. So I was just totaling up these days. 5/60 Friday, Saturday, Sunday is today. So day 562, I left on day 505. 57 days at sea now, and the bottom of the boat is needing to be cleaned before I get into the weather pattern. What I was mentioning earlier is about my rice situation. The rice cooker, I have 50 kilos of rice and it's not working because the inverter won't power it. So my food storage is basically here, and dried sardines, sugar, vitamins, sauce. Unfortunately, that is the situation for the next expected 30 more days. So I have about 25 ramen packs that I've been making while I enjoy some updates. Today is just the local news. So sometimes when I'm out here so long, people wonder, I do a lot of intake, music, videos, podcasts. It really helps me with my mind. I'm not going to lie, I also take vitamins and creatine. And aside from my dry water electrolytes, I think the creatine has really helped for the mental fog. I don't take anything else, no medication. You know, it's been over 6 years since I was prescribed ADHD medicine, and it was really important for me to not take that stuff. So I believe on the elements that you're given outside, and the ability to be out here to hold your attention. So I'm subscribed to that. But anyway, all right, we're in about 12,000 feet. No, sorry, 6,000 meters of water, and it is deep blue. So I'm going to take you guys with me, and we're going to clean the bottom. I don't want to do it. I hate it. I am like Indiana Jones with snakes when it comes to the water, but I know, you know, if there is any shark in the water, it would stalk me first. It wouldn't just come up and go for me. And from the looks of it, the only thing that I've been seeing is the 3 mahi, and 2 of them got away, so they won't hit my lure anymore. But I want to show you one other thing. This is my revived solar oven. I am working on it. It's heated and insulated with foam. I've got a pot in there, trying to do different models. I couldn't get it to heat up and the rice, so I'm trying different approaches with the hopes that it does work this time. Oh, okay, I see some fish. I want to make sure that that is not the wrong kind of fish. That looks like the mahi-mahi. Oh. Oh, there's a lot of them. Okay. Have to check with you guys on what we saw, but I couldn't see what's down there yet, but I'll check the footage later. There's the mahi right there. Okay, so they are following. They're all kind of following. I just wonder why they went backwards. There's another one. These are the typical guys that swim with me all the time, so I can't catch them. I don't know why. There's 1, 2, 3. I don't see a shark anywhere, so that's good. But I'm still going to go for it and try to get in. So why don't we give it a go? The plan is we're going to use a scraper to get some of the mussels off, which I know are down there, and also a little bit of a scrub sponge that came from my mattress. And let me just want to make sure there's no shark, because I don't like when they run. I don't like when they run. Okay, keep this video short here. Stand by, guys. Some point. Okay. Oh, first time in the Indian Ocean. In the middle of the Indian Ocean. I hate this part, but let's go. Looks okay. So far, so good. Okay. Well, we got lots of friends now. Hey guys. Wow. Making friends. Middle of the Indian Ocean. I've got some work to do, so I think we're going to wrap this up. 10 minutes in. Venture Aaron officially out. Thanks for joining me. It's been a blast. Continue to do long form for you guys, but now we're preparing for the storm to come. I've got some major conditions, biggest in 560 whatever days. I've got 13-foot waves coming and 25 knot winds. So this will be my final prep day, and then I'll update you guys again as we go. So thanks again for following along and recommending the long form videos. I hope you guys enjoy it.